Okay, good afternoon everybody. Today we're coming to you from H11. H11 is a resort helipad in the Red Sea Global Project District of Saudi Arabia, and we have just finished a PAD-Star Solar Plus helipad lighting system installation here. PAD-Star Solar Plus from FEC Heliports Equipment Worldwide, and installed and sold by Aero Innovations Limited as the agent for FEC HW in Saudi Arabia, Middle East and Asia. So what we're looking at here, we've got two sets of three approach guidance lights which are white, and 16 green perimeter lights around the perimeter of this helipad. This helipad is designed to be used by Augusta Westland 139, so it's a 25 metre circle helipad. The lights are around the perimeter and on the approach departure guidance paths. As we said, green for the perimeter, white for the guidance. We'll go over here and have a look at the PAD-Star lighting equipment pole. As you can see, everything with our installation is in one location. So we've got the solar system here, we've got the solar panels, we've got the solar batteries, we've got the solar voltage control system, and we've got the PAD-Star lighting controller here, which also controls our light operation, as well as VHF for air to ground activation of the lights. Our bottom box, as we see here, has our batteries in it for our solar storage and our solar controller in here, voltage controller. We have two solar lighting panels for this particular installation, which provides more than enough power to run our system here for the PAD-Star Solar Plus system, with 22 lights operating off it. The PAD-Star lighting controller box in here, this is the brains of the helipad lighting installation, if you like. We can program it on 3 channels. So for example, on channel 1 we would set 30% intensity on the lights for the light intensity for green and white, and we would set 20% intensity for the infrared. Channel 2 we would go to 50% on the lights, 30% on the infrared, and for channel 3 we go to 75% on the lights, and 30% remains on the infrared. So fully NVG compatible, fully adjustable in intensity, and a brilliant system, easy to install, easy to operate. As we said, everything is on one pole with our installation. We have our ident beacon for the H11 helipad on the top. We have a fully illuminated wind sock or wind cone on the pole as well, and our VHF antenna is also located here. We'll be back here tomorrow evening to do the flight testing, and I'll get you some more pictures and update of the video with the pad in operation at night time. Thanks for your time, and if you have any questions or you're interested in the systems that we can offer, please contact us at Aero Innovations Limited. Thank you very much.